In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Format Painter in Microsoft Office applications effectively. This tool is a real time saver when it comes to making your documents, spreadsheets, or presentations look consistent and professional without having to repeatedly format each piece of content manually. First, let's start by selecting the text or the object that already has the formatting you want to replicate. This could be anything from a specific font style, color, and size of text to the attributes of an image or a shape within your document. This step is crucial because you are identifying the source formatting you'll be using elsewhere. Think of this as telling the Format Painter tool, "This is what I want you to look like," as it picks up the styles from your selected element. Now, with your desired text or object selected, let's head on over to the Home tab in the ribbon. This is where you'll find all your essential tools clustered in groups for easy access. Look for the Clipboard group, and you'll see an icon that looks like a little paintbrush. That's your Format Painter button. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, you'll notice that your cursor changes to include a small paintbrush icon. This visual change indicates that the Format Painter is active and ready to apply the formatting you selected. Next, you need to apply that picked-up formatting to another text or object. You can do this in a couple of ways. If it's a single word, image, or shape, a simple click with the new paintbrush cursor will do the trick. If you're dealing with a larger block of text or several objects, you can click and drag over the entire selection you want to format. It's like painting with formatting. This action will instantly apply the same look and feel from your source text or object to your target selection, ensuring consistency throughout your document or project. Once you've clicked or dragged over the item you wish to format, you might be wondering if you need to turn off the Format Painter manually. Worry not. This tool is designed to turn itself off automatically after one use. This means you won't inadvertently change other parts of your document if you click somewhere by mistake. If you want to use the Format Painter multiple times without reselecting the source formatting each time, you can double-click the Format Painter button. This keeps it active until you decide to turn it off by hitting the Escape key or clicking the button again. And there you have it. By leveraging this feature, you can enhance the workflow efficiency and visual harmony of your documents, while saving yourself quite a bit of time along the way. Thanks for tuning in, and happy formatting.